How to use Siri on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can use Siri on Android. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start. So in order to do that, you need to download an application called Voice Access. You just need to open up your Google Play Store. After that, go to the search bar and search for Voice Access. After searching for it, you can see this voice access. You just need to install it on your device, and what you're going to do is simply head over to the app, and after heading, you can see this voice access. You just need to turn on this option and allow it. After allowing it, you can see this voice access shortcut. You just need to enable this option, allow it, and tap on the accessibility button. Got it, and you can see this option here. So what this does is access Siri on your Android device. If you are on your Android device, you may just use this option in order to use it as Siri, or you may just go to settings here and adjust it accordingly. Like different kind of settings are here. You may just use those settings like activate for incoming calls, activate during calls, activation button. Different kind of options are here. So you may just use this. On my screen, you can see this accessibility of voice access. You may just use this like you use Siri, like continue press on it, or you may just call it accordingly. You may just name it and call it for different kind of activities that you want to perform on your device. So you may just download the voice access and use it as Siri on Android. So therefore, just follow that method and you should also be able to use Siri on your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.